showing you how to set up and use the Nectar Pollen Pincher Black Edition, as well as covering a few details specific to this product. The Nectar Pollen Pincher features a 1 ton compression force, isolated temperature control, and is capable of producing an impressive 25% yield. Now let's get into this video, starting with an unboxing. Now, while I am unboxing the Nectar Pollen Pincher, I should mention to you that each machine comes with a 2-year warranty, and we also offer 24/7 lifetime support. So if you ever need to get in touch, feel free to call, email, or WhatsApp us. So, in the box, you get the Nectar Pollen Pincher Black Edition, an AC power cord, a full rosin toolkit, 50 parchment papers, and an extensive user manual, which includes nectar pressing tips, so it is definitely worth a read. Essentially, you get everything you need in the box to allow you to start pressing right away. For those of you who have seen or own the original Pollen Pincher, then it's worth noting that this version has a couple of upgrades, which includes an upgraded press shaft, facilitating a smoother press. We have also upgraded the top plate adjustment bolt to a knob, thus removing the need to use a spanner, and for good measure, we've chucked in a nectar dab kit for you. Now let's put it together so that we can get pressing. We want to carefully lift the Nectar Pollen Pincher out of the box and onto a large, sturdy, flat surface. Now let's connect the power cable to the press and plug it into a socket. That is about all the assembling that this product needs. It is super straightforward and easy to use. The Pollen Pincher features adjustable 5 by 7.5 centimeter dual isolated heating plates, meaning you can control the temperature of each plate individually, a dust cover for the press plates, an LCD controller which entails temperature and time functions, including an alarm timer to ensure a quality press. You can also adjust the newly fitted knob above the plates if needed to for higher or lower amounts of material, which I will show you in a minute. The Pollen Pincher is one of the lightest and most portable rosin presses on the market, weighing only 6.5 kilograms, which makes it easily portable, especially with its easy to use portable handle. You can bring this impressive piece of machinery with you anywhere. It has 220 watts of power and is able to exert a maximum of 1 ton of compressive force onto your chosen material. Before you start pressing, it's vital that you prepare the materials that you will be pressing, particularly if you want to achieve a higher yield. In summary, you should bring your herbs to around 60 to 65% humidity. You should also use a pre-press mold to compact your ground herbs into a puck. And finally, ensure you do your calculations to ensure you're pressing your material between 300 to 2000 psi, depending on your starting material. Having said all this, there are plenty of tips on how to best prepare your material for the optimal yield and quality in the Nectar user manual. Once that's done, start off by removing the plate shield, flip the switch on, and the control panel should light up. Next, lift the press lever up to open up the plates. We now want to set the control panel up, so to do this, press the set button to go to the temperature setting mode for the top plate. Press the up or down buttons to select your desired temperature, and then press the set button again to go to the temperature setting mode for the bottom plate, and repeat the process. Once you have selected your desired temperature, you can press the set button another time to go into the timer settings mode, which is in seconds. So press up or down until you reach your desired time, and then press the set button again to go to the temperature scale mode, where you can press up or down to select either Fahrenheit or Celsius. You simply need to press the set button one final time to register all of your settings, and you'll notice the plates will start heating when the heating icons are displayed on the screen. As a heads up, the Nectar Pollen Pincher has a temperature range of 0 to 150 degrees. And of course, check our user manual for Nectar's top tips on the optimal pressing temperatures, which vary depending on your starting material, as well as whether you want to achieve a higher yield or higher quality. So continuing with the press, wait until the plates have reached your desired temperatures, and you will know when they have done so, as the heating icon will turn off. Before placing your material between the plates, adjust the starting height of the top plate by rotating the knob clockwise or anti-clockwise until you feel the top plate easily clicking into place when you pull the lever down. It's important that the top plate can click into place, as this will allow you to let go of the press lever without losing pressure. If you need to apply a lot of pressure on the lever in order for it to click into place, then you may have difficulties clicking it into place once the starting part has been placed within the plates. Now, once you're satisfied with the height of the top plate, carefully place the prepared material in the center of the bottom plate between a folded piece of parchment paper to make it easier to scrape off when the rosin has been extracted. Then lower the press lever slowly until it clicks into place, which it has just done so. So I will now let go of the lever and the pressure applied will be maintained. Press the red timer button on the control panel and it will start showing a countdown. Now we wait. Once the countdown has ended, the Nectar Pollen Pincher will start beeping. Press the timer button to turn off the timer and stop the alarm. Now lift the lever up to release the press and carefully remove the press material using a tool or heat-resistant gloves. You can now turn the machine off by flipping the switch and unplug it. Be sure to wait until the plates cool down completely before putting the shield back on, cleaning or putting the press away. Once your device has cooled down, you can clean the plates by dabbing a cloth into some isopropyl alcohol and rubbing the excess rosin or sticky residue off the plates. Before we wrap this video up, here are some tips we thought you might like to know. The Nectar Pollen Pincher is ideal for pressing up to 3.5 grams of material at one time. Therefore, if you want to press more than that, then you may be better off with one of our bigger presses like the NP5, NP10 or NP20, which all have bigger plates and much larger compressive forces. If you need a device to ingest your rosin, then we recommend checking out the Nectar Platinum or Nectar Hex devices for best flavor and ease of use. We recommend that you don't use filter bags while using the Nectar Pollen Pincher, as they are only suitable for more than 3.5 grams. Otherwise, you may end up wasting material in the filter and significantly reducing your yield. You can adjust the positioning of the bottom plate by simply unscrewing the two screws, and we have another video where we go into more detail on this, so definitely check that out if you ever need to readjust the base plate. Also, highly recommend using a pre-press mold for the best possible yields, which enable you to form a compressed puck before pressing. We have our own Nectar pre-press molds, which you can get, so definitely check those out on our website, which will be linked below. If you need any assistance, please feel free to message the Nectar team via WhatsApp. We hope this video helped you out and that you enjoy your Black Edition Nectar Pollen Pincher. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Also, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so that you can be notified when we drop our next video. Bye!